Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to the components. First, power down your DELL G7 and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back panel removed, you'll see the battery located near the center. It's usually secured with a couple of screws. Carefully unscrew these and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it's seated properly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. This is a crucial step, as a loose connection can lead to power issues later on. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and prevent overheating. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice on your laptop's condition. Once you've completed the cleaning, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop. Make sure all clips are aligned and press down gently to secure it. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened but not overly so, as this can strip the threads. Finally, power on your DELL G7 and check if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by going into the system settings and checking the battery status. If everything looks good, you're all set. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery in your DELL G7 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can extend the life of your laptop significantly. Don't forget, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we're here to help with no calls, no travel, just a simple pickup and delivery service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.